Hi, I'm Heather Clancy in the Green Biz studio at Circularity 20, and I'm joined by Rick Perez, founder and CEO of Avangard Innovative. Welcome,
How you
Rick.
doing, Heather? Heather, thank you
Good,
for having me. How are you?
good. Give us some context about your company. What's your mission and where do you fit in the circular economy?
Okay, thank you. So, Avangard Innovative, we've been around for 30 years. So, we started in the PET recycling business, and we're in 11 countries now. The whole focus for what we do is waste and recycling optimization. So, what exactly does that mean? Is our goal is to lower waste cost and what's going to a landfill, and how do we capture that on the other side and monetize it? And at the end of the day, it's all about circular economy and what can we do with the recyclables, put them right back into the economy, back into a product, back into the consumer. That's what we've been doing, and we do it now for 30 years, Heather.
So how has COVID affected your business?
Well, it definitely has affected all of us, correct? And if you think about how retailers, especially from the sourcing side of what we do, we call them environmental partners because we align ourselves with all our strategic partners in this. And they have definitely taken a big drop on recyclables, right? If they're not selling,
Mhm.
consumers are not buying, recyclables are hurting. So it has definitely been a big downturn on the ability to capture as much recyclables as possible. But at the end of the day, you got to pivot your business. You have to find a way to make it more valuable. And really, what it has done is the demand for our post-consumer resin is still there. So that's what we're really proud about.
So who are some of your partners?
Well, strategically, we have different partners for different sides of our business. We have a very good strategic partnership that we did that we announced with Dow. Dow is our strategic partner for our post-consumer resin. They give us some technical background. We aligned themselves, obviously, the largest flexible packaging resin producer, though. So they've been amazing partners. We also have done some strategic partnerships with Hycone to make six-pack rings in the world. Now they're called ring cycles, what they're producing.
Mm.
So they've been amazing to also adopt and figure out how we can make our world a better place by utilizing recycled content. And we have many more to come that we will announce. So, but strategically we do that, and then we have strategic partnerships on the OCC side, paper side, metal side. In 30 years, we built plenty of a network to be able to provide our environmental partners the best service possible.
So you're scaling quite quickly. One of the things that I hear a lot of people say, hey, we're always in pilot phase, but you're scaling. Can you tell us what's in store for your company over the next 12 months?
Absolutely. So we're really excited. We got into the post-consumer market. We always felt that flexible packaging, which includes all your stretch wrap, flexible packaging is over wraps and water and all of that's products. And there was a need to really address as the fastest growing sector of packaging and the use of plastics, but it has a tendency to be the least recycled, less than 10%. And it also is a problem, right, in the rivers and oceans and so on. So we felt that there was a big need, just like we did in PET business. And so we built and now we're scaling it, the largest post-consumer resin facility here in North Houston. And that's going all over the world and being utilized. And it's really the key thing is also how do we are able to produce that resin and also lower our the footprint and the carbon footprint that it generates, right? Because you're not starting from natural resources. So we use a whole like 75% less natural resources and energy to consume and to produce that post-consumer resin.
So just to follow up on that Houston facility, how big is it?
Well, we're producing 120 million pounds a year in this facility, so it's quite
Hmm.
large. We are the next one we're doing. It's in Mexico. The same thing because we have the source, the material, and if there's a big need for that. And then we're putting one in Nevada, the next one after that. So those are the three that we already announced, and we'll start there for now.
Great. Well, I wish you luck with that scaling. Thanks for joining us today, Rick. And you just heard from Rick Perez with Avangard Innovative.
Thank you so much, Heather, for having me.